Step 1. Locate and with your 3mm Allen key, remove the 5 screws for the front belt guard, 2 in front and 3 at the back. Step 2. Place your microfiber cloth over the belt and pull towards you while rotating the crank arm backwards to remove the belt without pinching your fingers. Step 3. Remove the front cap by unscrewing the 2 screws at the top with your 3mm Allen key and taking out the clip at the bottom. Step 4. Remove the cadence sensor with your 3mm Allen key, taking note of its orientation. Then proceed to remove the screw holding the inner belt guard to the frame with your 3mm Allen key. The belt loops this connection and cannot be removed with the screw still in place. Step 5. With your 2 5mm Allen keys, remove the 2 axle screws on either sides of the frame holding the flywheel in place. The flywheel will have to be removed to replace the belt. Carefully lift the flywheel out, supporting its weight before removal to prevent it from dropping onto the frame. Once the flywheel is out and placed aside, you can replace the old belt with the new belt. When putting the new belt in, make sure it loops the inner belt guard to frame connection. Once the belt is in, proceed with reinstallation. This is reversing the process of disassembly. Place belt on the flywheel hub, leaving 1 groove on the inside if your flywheel has 6 grooves. Mount the belt back onto the crank arm by slowly rotating the crank arm backwards, making sure the belt is still aligned properly on the flywheel, and the pedals are on the inside of the belt in order to not obstruct the crank arm during rotation. With your 3mm Allen key, put back the screw which holds the inner belt guard to the frame. Reassemble the cadence sensor back with the 3mm Allen key, followed by the front cap. Rotate your crank arm forward to confirm your belt is aligned underneath your tension bearing. Misalignment could cause your belt to shred. Reinstall your outer belt guard and your service is complete.